Yeah, and this is why I haven't been on YouTube for the past couple of days or so. It's because I've got about 2 to 3 inches of water in my backyard. This is the walkway up to my back door right now. It's got to be at least 2 inches. See if we can get in a little closer. Yeah, that's at least 2 inches. That's my walkway path is at least 2 inches high, and it's coming right up to the edge of it. It's ridiculous. I really just wanted to have a little fun with the new camera and just kind of see the image quality. It's really kind of the perfect setting to do it.